Hi everyone, today we're gonna do golden egg fried rice. You know, the one that you get at that particular restaurant with the pork chop on top. Everybody likes it, so I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do this at home. First thing we need to talk about the rice. You need to have Japanese short grain rice or Taiwanese short grain rice, and you don't need to leave it overnight like how you do with normal fried rice. You can just cook it a little bit earlier and then keep it warm. So this is just freshly cooked rice that is kept warm for the last half an hour, and you notice that it's all very sticky. So what we do in the first step is to add an egg yolk and some butter into this. Separate an egg. I just want the yolk. The yolk to the rice, and then the other egg is just whole egg. To this, it's just a little bit of butter, and what we want to do is to mix the egg yolk and the butter. You get a nice golden color. You know, in the professional kitchen, the chefs are so good at this. They can toss the wok, they can make sure that the color is even, but you know, most home cooks don't cook that much. And so maybe your wok tossing technique is not that great. So this is a really good shortcut, or a really good hack, I should say. It's a nice temperature. Now we add some oil. The eggs go in. You want to cook the egg maybe about 70%. You just stir it around. Make sure you get those nice strands. Okay, about 70%, you put in your rice. You want to cook it on gentle heat because you don't want to burn. You know, the thing about this particular egg fried rice, the rice is very moist and still tender with a bit of bite. So they don't overcook their rice, not like how you do at a typical zhu cha. The seasoning is a very simple seasoning, which you can check the recipe. You don't want to add any soy sauce or anything like that because you want to keep the golden color. So a bit of salt, a bit of garlic powder, a bit of secret seasoning. Okay, it's almost done. This is almost done. Once it's almost done, the last step is to add in the green shallots. And then give it a quick toss. You turn off the heat already. Just give it a few toss. And it's ready to be served. Okay, so simple, and I'm sure your kids will all love it. Beautiful golden egg fried rice.